everybody, how are you? This is Alberto the Musical, that's my name, Alberto the Musical. I'm here now to start a new series, the best top 10 juices who are going to help you to lose this weight. Alright, well, we started with this one, the first one. I call this Framana juice. And the Framana juice, I'm going to show you how to do it, and I will tell you the particularities of this juice. First of all, this juice is a very powerful antioxidant, and it also helps you to lose liquid. So if you have your stomach like a ball, if you have too much liquid in your body, the best juice you can drink is this one, the Framana. Here we go. And here we have all the ingredients we need. First we need 3 oranges. 3 oranges here, 1 green apple. Alright, 1 green apple. And 20 raspberries. 20 raspberries. First of all, what we have to do is to cut the apple. I can use this machine that is very helpful, to be honest. And all what you have to do is to put pressure on it, and then you put the apple into the mixer. Okay, here we go. All the apple in the mixer. Once you got the apple in the mixer, you add the raspberries. Raspberries have a very great element to help you to lose all the liquid. And then, talking about liquid, we have 250 milliliters of normal water, pure water, and we add it all together to the mixer. Once we have it like that, close it and begin to make some noise. Oh, yo, yo. Here we go. Alright, we have this first step. The second step we have to do is to cut the oranges in half. 1, 2, and 3. And take all the juice out. Here we go. We have 1. Very simple to put all the juice out. Using the cheapest one. 1 orange. Let's go with the second one. All right. And finally, we will use the 3rd orange. All right. Here we go. All the juice. When we have all the juice that we need, very simple, we just add the juice into the mixer. All right, close it, and more. Oh yeah, clean a little bit. It's here. And now you have 2 options, 2 different options. First one, if you like this and normal, just put it out of the mixer, straight to your glass. On the option number 2, which is a little bit more complicated, you have to use one of these, and then you can have a smooth juice. Very easy, just put it here, turn around. With energy, with a spoon. Here we go. Like you see, all the juice came out very smooth. No seeds on it. One more time, a little bit more. Oh yeah. And remember, the Framana juice is very nice to use it if you want to lose some liquids. or if you just want to detox your body. And the last time we put a little bit more. Hey, big. That's it. Enough. You see how easy, how fast. And we take the other glass and put it really smooth. Really smooth. Framana! Raspberries, 1 green apple, 3 orange juices, a smooth or normal, whatever you prefer. So remember, this juice to be taken first time in the morning with your stomach empty. Very important, your stomach empty. During 1 week you can drink this juice, the Framana, and you will see the results 1 week long. And if you want to increase the power of this juice, get listening, get ready to the next videos. I'm going to explain another juices. The top 10 juices will be here in this channel with Alberto the Musical. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to see when I put the next videos, alright? So, see you soon. I love you. Remember, once a week, the Framana in the morning. Stomach empty. Ciao and enjoy. Also, if you take this sumo and that's it, it will not help you. You know what to do, no? You have to have a nice diet and you have to practice a little bit of sport. Only the juice can do miracles. Remember that. Be healthy. See you soon.